Hello, everyone. Welcome to Edubbey Global Solution. Today, we'll be looking at hormones. Hormone is a chemical substance produced by a gland and carried by the blood. It alters the activity of one or more specific target organs and is then destroyed by the liver. So, a quick question. We have to drag the words into the correct boxes. Dash is a female sex hormone. Can we guess? Is it estrogen? Dash is the male sex hormone. Is it testosterone? Let's check. Okay. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of glands that produce hormones. The glands that produce hormones pass them directly into the blood. They have no ducts and are thus called ductless glands. On this slide, we have two tables showing us the glands and then where they are situated and what type of hormone they produce. So we have the adrenals. The adrenals are located above the kidneys and they produce the hormone adrenaline, which is the hormone for fight, fright, and flight. We also have the islets of Langerhans. It is situated in the pancreas and it is responsible for producing the hormone insulin. The target organ for the adrenals is the liver, heart, and voluntary muscles. In the liver, the hormone turns glycogen into glucose to boost blood sugar levels in emergencies. In the heart beats faster and more oxygen is sent to the brain and muscles. The voluntary muscles tire less easily, and then the insulin is where the last row is effective. The liver promotes the uptake of glucose by cells and the conversion of glucose to glycogen for storage. Pancreas houses insulin, true or false? On this slide, we have a picture of the endocrine system showing us the locations of different glands. Here we have the thyroid gland and we have the thymus. So here we have the pancreas, which we have talked about, and the adrenals is right here above the kidney. We also have the testes, housing the testosterone hormone, and the ovary, the female sex organ, housing the estrogen hormone. So adrenaline is the hormone secreted in fight and flight situations. Adrenaline on blood glucose concentration increases pulse rate. Yes, we have said adrenaline is the fight, flight, and fright hormone. So it increases pulse rate and heartbeat. The effects of adrenaline hormone, it turns glycogen into glucose to boost blood sugar level in emergencies. Such emergencies include moments before the start of competitive events such as examination, when being chased by an angry dog, increasing blood pressure, increasing breath rate, and increased heart rate. It is also effective in increased pupil diameter. Those are some of the effects. It increases pupil diameter. On this slide, we have the comparison between the nervous system and the endocrine system. So, for the nervous system, the speed of action is quite rapid as compared to the endocrine system. The nature of messages sent in the nervous system includes electrical impulses traveling along nerves, and then we have the chemical messengers traveling in the bloodstream for the endocrine system, and so on. On this slide, we have questions. Says which statement about the hormone insulin is correct? It is produced by the liver and raises blood sugar. No. It is produced by the pancreas and raises blood sugar. No. It's produced by the pancreas and lowers blood sugar. Yes. What is the result of the release of adrenaline? Blood glucose concentration decreases, Breathing rate decreases, no. Blood glucose concentration increases, breathing rate decreases, no. Blood glucose concentration increases and breathing rate also increases. Yes. Drag the words into the correct boxes. The concentration of glucose in the blood is controlled by negative feedback. And when blood glucose concentration falls too low, the pancreas releases the hormone glucagon. And then the hormone causes cells to break down glycogen to glucose, which is released into the blood. We'll be learning more about this in the next chapter. Thank you for your time. Remember to check us out on www.edubbey.com for more materials and resources.